Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate pretzel bark. First, you'll need about 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate, and roughly 6 cups of mini pretzels. Make sure to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Having everything measured and ready before you begin will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started. Now let's melt that chocolate. You can use a double boiler for a gentle melt or the microwave for speed. If using the microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until it's completely smooth. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can cause the chocolate to seize and become clumpy. We want a silky, pourable consistency for our bark. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted, it's time to combine. Gently fold about 4 cups of your mini pretzels into the warm chocolate, ensuring they are well coated. Then, pour this delicious mixture onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Use a spatula to spread it evenly, aiming for a consistent thickness. Finally, sprinkle the remaining 2 cups of pretzels over the top for extra crunch and visual appeal. The final step is to chill your chocolate pretzel bark. Place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once hardened, you can easily break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. This treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax while enjoying your snack, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.